Hey guys, we're at Arches and we're at a spot where you can see Delicate Arch. Daddy, show them where that is. Right there. Delicate Arch. It's an arch. But we didn't hike to it because we have another hike to do.
We are at Arches National Park today, and we are hiking into the Fiery Furnace. Fiery Furnace requires a permit, so only 75 people are allowed in per day. We had to watch a video on keeping it safe and us staying safe, and that's it. We're about to head into the furnace. Got a little later start than we wanted to, but we're gonna do it. So see you at the end. So inside the Fiery Furnace, it's not really a trail per se. You're just trying to find your own way, trying not to get lost. So they talked to us about staying on the sandy, loose sand, as opposed to on this stuff, which is biological crust. It takes 600 to 1,000 years for that stuff to form. So every footprint takes away 600 to 1,000 years of work. So we're just kind of scaling through, trying to find our way through this rock playground. Kind of toasty, but we got lots of water, and we'll see where this leads. So in the furnace, found a path up there. I'm usually with Danny, I'm down here, so here we are. You are only allowed to have a permit for 6 people, and Tori has her own permit, and we've been stopping her. She's not allowed to be near us because they're trying to maintain it's quiet, make everyone feel like it's their own, so we're trying to keep Tori within distance, far enough away, but maintain safety together. Found some stairs that we could walk up. No running, Dan. Dan's running through the Fiery Furnace. Riley's water bottle plummeting to its death. It's all good here in the Fiery Furnace. I am your vlogging guide for today, as Katie's strep still has her a little bit under the weather and not able to talk comfortably. Back here, so we've got a scale through here. My claustrophobia is super excited about this one. So I'm just gonna scale the wall through a hole in the earth and hope it doesn't close and come out the other side. Just scaling some narrow walls over here. Thankfully not too high up, hopefully. We'll see how high it is if Katie doesn't make it. Another shot with Riley here. All right, everyone, up. Everyone made it. You can see Tori back there, slightly, a little white spot, maintaining her hiking distance from us. Here's Danny and the lizards that are climbing on the walls.
There's another lizard right here. It's blue.
Blue?
The walls are
Oh, cool. Let's go over here.
Here is where we are in.
Hi.
We are a little bit lost. No worries. We found other people who are equally lost. This is like an escape room with 0 clues. This is what they told me was good and part of the trail and what I'm supposed to come down. So All the other people went around. Everyone's lost. It's a good time. So Danny's stuck on the wall. A little crevice down there.
God, let me see. Let me see you put your hands from here to there.
I can't.
Put your hands on the wall. Now put your feet, slide this foot down. Put your hand on the wall. Put this foot down. No. Put this foot back here. Right here. No, right here. Put it down here.
And he's Supermaning it over a crevice.
Walk down. Now why are you going?
Okay, so now they want me to go through here. It's a great time. It's like wide enough for 1 foot. It's getting hot. The earth is closing in. Good Lord. All right.
This is Dad from Clay Nation coming to you from the fiery furnace of Arches National Park, where Mom is a little bit panicked. No big deal. We are on the correct ranger's path. But this spot right here is pretty cool. There is an arch somewhere behind Caitlin up there. Right there.
We are still in the furnace. It is fiery. It's actually not bad down here. It's cool, thank goodness. And we've been at it for, sorry, we have an hour and 45 minutes. An hour and 50 minutes. And we're stopping for a little snack and some water. And then we're hoping to make it out. We have it clocked at 1.8 miles. It's 2.5 if you follow the trails. We've been off trail a little bit, so we'll see.
Hey guys, still in the fiery furnace.
Lost in the fiery furnace.
Feeling very fiery. And
We're almost out of water.
yeah, and Dad led us in the wrong way, so
Now we have no idea where we're going.
we're just gonna try and get out of this place. Like the parking lot's right up there, but we don't know. So, and it's so hot. It's like 105 degrees. So, yeah.
We did it. We made it out of the fiery furnace. It's questionable at some point. So, hiking guides do not touch bats. It's hard. We wanted to touch them. But we didn't. There it is. We were all in and around and through there. But we made it out. What's our time, Troy?
2 hours and 32 minutes.
2 hours and 32 minutes. Good times.
2.7.
Even though we were pretty hot and tired from our fiery furnaces hike, we obviously couldn't leave Arches National Park without seeing some arches. So many of them you could see from a drive, so we drove around and were able to see some arches. I want to say the kids counted 18 or 19 arches that we saw. And then there were some really big, impressive arches that we could get out and walk not too far to get up close and get some good pictures of, so you'll see them in a bit.
Also, we would like to shout out all the beasts at Tri-County.
Yes.
You guys are doing great. Go Dolphins.
Go Cubs.
Yes. We wish we were there, but
Yeah.
we got this. Let's
We
go.
got lost in the trail.
We also learned that arches are different from land bridges. Arches are actually worn away little by little by sediment and wind. So a little piece of sediment or wind weakened a hole in that rock, and then little by little, it was worn away and formed an arch. Whereas a land bridge is formed by water running through. So that is the difference between an arch and a land bridge.